Compassion for animals and a balanced mind are the characteristics of a civilized human being. Hello, guys, welcome to my Greta Talks channel. Let us discuss today the 31st thought of the Gita from the 12th chapter, that is, characteristics of a civilized human being. The devotee should have an attitude of a developed human being. He shows love, mercy, and compassion to all without hating anyone. He is free from selfishness and ego. His intellect and mind are constantly balanced. Therefore, his heart is not disturbed by such contrasts as happiness, sorrow, praise, criticism, honor, disgrace, and success, failure. A devotee is an ideal citizen. He does not have hatred but is friendly and compassionate to all beings. He is free from attachment and egoism and is equal in pain, pleasure, and forgiving. He does not believe in hatred, he keeps a balanced mind. He is not afraid of the world and the world is not afraid of him. He is free from joy, anger, fear, and anxiety, and such person is dear to God. He does not get upset and does not consider desires. God admires him when he remains unaffected by anything. He is equal to his enemies and friends and to honor and dishonor. He is balanced and equal in cold and heat and remains stable in difficulties and happy situation. He equally treats praise and criticism. He is satisfied with whatever he has. He is soft spoken, has steady and firm mind, and devoted and dear to God. So, friends, the question is, how should be our behavior? This is the description of civilized human being in every society. We should not think that such behavior is beyond our control. It is possible for everyone to help those in sorrow and disaster as much as possible. We should look at the people around us with compassion. We can practice to balance our mind continuously and intelligently, though we face opposing situations like success and humiliation. It is possible for everyone to practice balance of our mind and create the positive difference. So, friends, the story of Ashish will help us to understand how significant it is to become a guiding light, being helpful and kind to the needy. In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a man named Ashish whose heart glowed with love, kindness, and compassion. He had fellow feeling, taking on the struggles and joys of every person he met. He was free of anger, jealousy, or hatred. He was an example of a rare calmness, free from the influence of selfishness and ego. Ashish was a calm and balanced person who stayed steady in both good and bad times. Praise did not make him proud and criticism did not upset him. He lived with humility and found joy in helping others. He was a kind and caring person who always tried to serve people. In times of trouble and sadness, he helped those who were suffering and gave them comfort. With his love and compassion, Ashish inspired others and showed that kindness can make the world a better place. Friends, I hope you have liked this story and the 31st thought of the Gita. Let us discuss the 32nd thought with a story in the next episode. Please make sure to listen, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes and interesting videos. Thank you, goodbye, and Jai Shri Krishna.